This conference will now be recorded.
మాస్టర్ గారి అనుగ్రహంతో with the grace of the master we are entering Homeo 3.0. We have earlier conducted 2 sessions and this is the third set of classes where we are going to give a detailed idea about the system of homeopathy. And to begin with, my salutations to the great grand masters. And the first one to mention is none other than Dr. Samuel Christian Frederick Hahnemann, who is the founder of the system. And my salutations to Dr. J.T. Kent, who has developed the system. My salutations to my Guruji, who taught me this homeopathy, Master E.K. Ekirala Krishnamacharya Garu. And my salutations to Dr. G.V. Chalapati Garu, who is a well-known homeopath and who has started the homeopathy in Rayalaseema districts in Anantapur. And my salutations to many more doctors of this great system of healing. And my hearty welcome to all the participants, all the brothers and sisters who are gathered to learn the system here. Who are gathered, why I used that word, because we have not gathered, we are gathered by the will and grace of the master. It is the master who has given us the permission to conduct the classes, and it is he who speaks through me, and those who are attending the classes, my sincere request is to mute their audios and also videos so that there will be no disturbance and the class will smoothly go. And this time the class will be in English, as we have got many members from outside Andhra Pradesh. So I would like to continue the classes in English, but very simple English. I was giving classes in English. Somebody asked me, sir, your English is very simple. The reply given by me is, I have not learned complicated English, so simple English only I can speak. So to begin with, let me inform you, very important point is, our classes will be there for 3 days, not 5 days. But today we have inaugurated Monday. Tomorrow also class will be there Tuesday. From Wednesday, we will start the session with the idea of the homeopathy. These 2 days, I am going to introduce the system of homeopathy, the efficacy of homeopathy, and the classes will start on Wednesday. Why? Because there are few more people who wish to join, and we will give an opportunity for them to join us. And my sincere thanks to Chakri, who is from Hyderabad, presently working in USA, and Shivaji, who is also in USA, and Shankar Reddy, who is in Anantapur, and all other volunteers who are helping me to make this program live and also purposeful. So my thanks to these 3 members. And we have paid the amount to the GoToMeeting for 250 members. So first come, first served. If there is more demand, we may have to pay extra amount to GoToMeeting. We will see the number. Those who cannot join, could not join because there is no place. We will try to enhance the members, number of members, while talking to We will see after the class is over, we will discuss. So my welcome to all of you. I would like to know from all of you, how many of you are joining for the first time? So Mr. Shankar will give you the WhatsApp number. So please inform. If you are a fresher, please give your phone number and just type I am fresher. That is enough for me, because this class is a mixture of 1.0, 2.0 and also 3.0. And one of my friends asked that you are going to teach the same thing. The answer is very simple. I am not a tape recorder. If you put the button, same will go. In fact, I am also a student of these classes. I listen to my masters who speak through me. So every class is a new class for me. And we have divided it in such a way, this schedule. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 3 days classes will be there. And today and tomorrow will be introduction. From next week onwards, there will be only 3 classes. Exactly at 7, means at 7 we will start. The members who attended my earlier classes of 1.0 and 2.0, they know the punctuality. So I request you all to be present at least 10 minutes before 7 or 5 minutes before 7. And 250 only are admitted in these classes. So Wednesday and Thursday, I would like to introduce the system. That means for freshers, the classes are meant for freshers. I have no objection even if the seniors attend these classes, because it is not only for freshers, it is fresh for those who attended the earlier classes also. As I told already, I repeat, I am not a tape recorder. So here, the advantage of live sessions is I am talking to you as if you are sitting in my front row, and I am visible to you. And you please switch off both video and audio so that all can listen and see me only. The rules of the session are very clear. I hope you will listen to it carefully and with attention. This is not a Purana Kalakshepam where you will hear through one ear and leave it through the other. This is a science, that to a life science, that to a medical science, that to a science which saves people from their ill health, and also sometimes even serious ailments can be cured through homeopathy. I will try to inform you the necessary important points through these classes, and I will also suggest some books to allow you or make you more acquainted with the science. Why you should not start reading books in the beginning? Because I told you it is very difficult subject. Homeopathy, to understand itself, is very difficult, and to practice is much more difficult. But our Guruji, Master E.K., has made it so easy. We are able to practice, and I have been practicing since 1970. That's about 50 years of my clinical experience. I would like to share my experience along with the contents of the system as envisaged in the books and also as given by Dr. Hahnemann and Dr. Kent and Master E.K. Why I mention those names? Because they are the persons who gave us this science. And I follow the system of classical homeopathy, which will go by single dose and single remedy. Remedies can be given one after the other, not one with the other. This I will teach you in course of time. Selection of a remedy based on Materia Medica. Before that, the freshers class, I will be teaching the basic philosophy of homeopathy, and classes for freshers will be on Wednesday and Thursday, and for seniors, that is who attended 1.1 and 2.0, for seniors the class is on Friday, is weekly one class. I repeat, I have no objection for the juniors to attend the senior class or for seniors to attend the junior class, subject to availability of the seat in the class. Now, the very purpose of learning this science is health is wealth. Without health, having life or leading a life is very, very, very difficult. Not only difficult, it is a wasteful exercise. A person who lives for 90 years or 80 years without good health is of no use. So health is the most important aspect, and we are trying to teach you a science which will restore your health, and also we will be helping our neighbors and the known persons, friends. One more point I would like to make it clear today. The course may run for 3 to 4 months depending upon the interest that you show in attending the classes. I have a syllabus I can teach for at least 10 years. So much subject is there with us, but don't worry, I will not go for such a long period. This 3.0 may go for about 3 to 4 months. Depending upon the situation, we will decide further. The very purpose of the class is to make you understand the basic principles of homeopathy, and you can present yourself to a homeopathy doctor with a proper case sheet. I don't expect the persons who are attending for the first time, who are not qualified in BHMS, I don't expect them to become experts of the system. It is very easy to learn homeopathy. I will show you the method of learning. Anything we can learn if we know the technique of learning. Here we teach you the technique of learning, and you can easily learn the science without any problem. I will be giving running notes only this time. I'm not going to teach the notes, but I will be speaking slowly. You can note down the points, and later you can again make them as a good notes. Very important point I would like to tell you. After this course is over, we are not going to issue any certificate, including participation certificate. We are not going to issue. This is only to learn. And to learn anything, we should unlearn first, because many people know the homeopathy. Particularly those who are attending these classes, I suppose they are good homeo patients and they may be having an idea about homeopathy. They might have learned through some other master or through books they might have learned. My request to all of you is, you may be an expert attending these classes. First, unlearn to learn. Any slate, if you want to write something new, first you have to erase, that is what is already written, then only you can write something on that slate. So our mind is also like a slate, and this homeopathy is such a science, it should be unbiased. You should learn with an open mind, and whatever theory you know, because homeopathy is presented by different authors in different ways, and each person has interpreted it in a different way. That is why our Guruji Master E.K. has taught us the original, I can say, Dr. Hahnemann's principles, and as elaborated by Dr. Kent, and our Guruji has given a lot of lectures on homeopathy, and I also attended lectures of Dr. G.V. Chalapati Garu, who used to conduct classes for 3 days, 5 days, like that. They are experts in homeopathy. I can say that they have drank homeopathy. They have taken lot of pains to train the people. Both of them I know very closely. They have run charitable dispensaries, and they taught thousands of students about the homeopathy. When I asked my Guruji, Master E.K., what is the Guru Dakshina I can pay to you after the classes are over, he simply told that you teach 10 people. That is the Guru Dakshina. So I have been teaching from 1980. That is, it is my 40th year of conducting the classes at various places, and many have learnt homeopathy through me. I have not taught them, through me. So I repeat again, there will be no certificate. And one more important point is, after you finish the course, we don't expect you to practice it on a commercial basis to earn money, because our master used to say that we should have our own living. That is, some income from our own living, maybe a job or a business or a pension without any tension. We must have our own living. This is told purely for doing service to the humanity, service to the needy, service to the sick. And I have been running the charitable dispensaries at various places. Presently I am staying in Bangalore. Here also we are running a clinic. Wherever I worked in different places, there I used to start my dispensary and serve the people with free homeopathic medicines along with classes. I used to conduct classes to the common man, the employees, teachers, bankers, housewives, and I had students who were illiterates, who have not passed even 5th standard. Such people also attended my classes, because we are not going to charge 1 rupee for these 3 months session. We don't charge anything. It is absolutely free. So you can attend without any hesitation. And my request to you is, please note down the important points you feel on a book, good book. Don't use some used diary of 1980, something like that. You purchase a good notebook along with a running pen, and I will be slow. I may not teach you notes, but important points I may tell you to note down. And during the running of the class, you are expected to catch the points which attract you, and you can do a fair work afterwards, because in running you may not be able to write neatly. So this is my request. All of you, please note this point. If you get any doubts during the class, if it is an open class, a direct class, you can ask me, stop me. Here, because it is a virtual class, I request you to note down on a piece of paper separately or in the rough notes what you are writing down. If you get any doubt, please note down, and at the end of the class, that is, the class will be for 1 hour, and 7 to 8 is the class timings. 8 o'clock exactly I will stop. I will give time of 10 minutes for clarification of doubts, and also you can send your query or a question in the WhatsApp, which I will answer through WhatsApp. That will save the time. And when the class flow is going on, I request you, not to stop me because it is a virtual class. I don't know who is talking, and there is a possibility that 2-3 members may talk simultaneously, which will be a very disturbing situation. So at 8 o'clock, those who wish to query, put a query or ask a question, they can raise the hand or they can ask me the question one by one, not all at a time. The notes what you are going to note down, after the notes is prepared, you are expected to check the spellings because there should not be any wrong spellings. For that, you can take the help of Google Mother, and Mother will give you right spellings. And understanding the subject, my method of teaching is something different. I go to the basics, fundamentals, and I consider that I am teaching to the students who have come for the first time. But Friday class, that which I conduct for the seniors, it is something different, where I go for teaching the materia medica and deep points in the philosophy. Homeopathy is such a science where if you start learning the science, you will get a lot of interest. It's such a wonderful science. It is a life science, I told you, a science with life. And those who study homeopathy are very lucky because a comprehensive, a holistic system is homeopathy. And we compare the other systems while giving the classes. I don't mean that other systems are inferior to homeopathy. I only tell good about the homeopathy. I don't ridicule the other systems because what our master told is each system has its own advantages and also limitations. Don't think that homeopathy has no limitations. Homeo also has limitations. Allopathy also has limitations. And each science given by God only has its own purpose and has its own place. Unfortunately, there is inter-rivalry between the systems. An allopathy doctor does not like to know about homeopathy, or a homeopathy doctor does not like Ayurveda, and vice versa. All the systems can be combined and a holistic approach can be made. Homeopathy itself is holistic science, and when there is availability of other systems, we can use them at their own advantageous place. This is also I am going to teach you. I don't hate allopathy. I don't hate Ayurveda because hatredness is also a symptom according to homeopathy. Those who hate, they are patients. Those who get angry, they are patients. All these things I am going to teach you one by one in course of the classes. My request to all of you is, there are two important points, very important points is, you should be punctual on time, because once I start the class, you may miss some points, and you should be regular in attending the classes. These classes are recorded, and we will also upload it to the we will give you the link also after uploading, and you can listen again. Those who cannot attend the 7 o'clock class because of their personal problems or other engagements, they can listen to me. There is no problem. And one advantageous point for me is I am seeing only 3 masters photos here. Nobody is visible to me. I don't know whether you are listening or sleeping or relaxing, eating or something. I'm not bothered. Here I see the master's photos and I teach to myself, and I am the first student of these classes. That is why somebody asked me in the afternoon, sir, are you going to repeat the same? As I am also a listener, I don't want to listen it to the 40th time or 50th time. Every class for me is a new class. Every class I will be giving something new. Of course, basic principles will be same. I cannot change the science of homeopathy. I cannot change the aphorisms given by Dr. Hahnemann. I cannot change the interpretations given by Dr. J.T. Kent or Master E.K. or Dr. Chalapati Garu. We have to follow those things. There may be a repetition in such notes while giving notes or certain points. Remaining thing, the new examples will come. Fresh cases also we will discuss. And this time I am going to teach different medicines, materia medica. And for seniors, they are something different because on Fridays I will be telling new medicines. And Wednesday and Thursday for freshers, I gave 2 classes. The reason is I want to see that they also join seniors next time. They also can join the seniors class, but don't ask me a doubt which I'm going to teach after 10 days. What I taught today or yesterday, any doubts are there, you can note down in your notes and ask me or send a message through WhatsApp. I shall be able to answer any query by you. And learning homeopathy is another important point because this is a science which gives us one basic advantage is there will be a change in our attitude and behavior. If you can listen to the science carefully and if you can implement the rules given in these classes, I am going to teach you not only homeopathy, I am going to teach you the philosophy, going to teach you the basics of Ayurveda and naturopathy and whatnot. Whatever comes through me, it is the basic idea of homeopathy. So what I feel is we can learn this science very easily. I will teach you the fundamental principles of homeopathy right from LKG. That is why in the beginning I told unlearn what you have already learned. If you see through your own, that is what you have learned through those eyes, if you see, so you wear a yellow spectacles, everything looks yellow only. So you please unlearn, you think yourself as a fresh student of homeopathy, and then you compare the points that are given by me to the science already you know. So this is a very important and peculiar science. I told you tomorrow and today I am going to introduce the system to you. Why this introduction is required? Because when I start the real classes on Wednesday, these basics are fundamentals you should understand well. Otherwise, you may not be able to understand further classes. In classes, I am a person who does every work sincerely only because what our master taught me is you learn first and then teach. So I am given the opportunity of teaching to many people. We should understand that attending a class with sincerity and putting your whole mind, ideas, everything, this 1 hour, you please keep your personal problems, family problems or professional problems aside and listen to the class carefully. And my pace of teaching is only this much. I don't run. I give the class in a very slow way, and you please try to understand each and every point. I repeat sometimes. Don't think that I'm repeating unnecessarily. I repeat the points which are very, very important. And once I repeat the point, you should understand that that point is vital. Hence, you have to note it down. Not only preparing the notes, but you should also read it again and again and again. Homeopathy is a science which can be learnt only by reading, and not just by reading. But I request all the members who are attending the class to try to find out a dispensary. We have one master, Dr. P.V. Satyanarayana Rao garu in Bangalore, who is a disciple of Dr. G.V. Chalapati garu. They are running homeopathy self-reliance forum. They are running many dispensaries, and Satyanarayana garu is giving classes and also dispensary is running. So those who can attend the dispensary, please you can attend, or any other dispensary, because people are from Calcutta, somebody has come from Kerala, somebody has come. Try to find out nearest homeopathic dispensary and try to follow the physician who gives the medicines. And I told you there may be a difference in that person, doctor who was giving medicines, he may not follow the classical system. So just to follow there, keeping our rules and regulations intact, but you have to learn by seeing the patients. It is not just theory. If you learn, that may not be sufficient. You have to attend practically to any dispensary, which will enhance your confidence on homeopathy. And there are a lot of inhibitions about homeopathy. Many people feel that homeopathy is slow. I have been searching for the person who has started this point, because in our experience, clinical experience, in our dispensaries, I gave homeopathy medicines to many patients who reported improvement within no time. So homeopathy is very fast. I can say with confidence that it is the fastest system available in the world, provided conditions apply. You know, any product they sell in the market, they put a small star and write conditions apply. Here also conditions apply. The condition is the physician or the doctor who prescribes the medicines should have thorough knowledge of the materia medica. That means you should know the medicines as living beings, living persons. Each medicine you should know as a living person, because all medicines look alike. There are many common symptoms, general symptoms in many medicines. If you see headache in repertory, you will find hundreds of drugs under headache, and you will definitely get headache, and you will get a doubt what is the correct drug to be given, because there are so many medicines are there under headache. So the efficacy of homeopathy, the specialty of homeopathy is individualization. That means each person is unique, each person's symptoms are unique, and the physician has to observe the patient without any bias. This is a very important point. Dr. J.T. Kent, in his lectures on philosophy, which I am going to deal in detail, unprejudiced observer. This is the important quality of a physician. Don't get prejudiced. Last time you might have treated a particular person for certain set of symptoms. It is not sure that the present person who came with the same set of symptoms are a little different, a drug will suit to him. Same set of symptoms, it is possible, but he might not have told the case completely. So he may have some other symptoms which may direct us to some other drug. So please try to find out the full case sheet, how to prepare a case sheet. I am going to teach in the junior classes. Juniors are Wednesdays and Thursdays, and seniors class will be on Friday. So having taken proper case according to the points given by our masters, so if you can take down the case properly, the patient, you will be able to cure the patient completely, and a permanent restoration of health is possible in homeopathy. And this is our experience. We have several cases where the patient got total cure. Of course, again, a small star conditions apply. What are those conditions? I am going to teach you. So, in homeopathy, it is based on one principle called similarity. Similia similibus curanter is the basic point in homeopathy. How to find out a similar medicine? I'm going to teach you in the classes. I told you it is only an introduction class. Tomorrow also it will be an introduction class. But this introduction will help you a lot in understanding the science in the coming classes. There are four fundamentals, important points in homeopathy as stated by Dr. Hahnemann in his book called Organon. The Organon is the Bible of homeopathy. One should understand and he must know the Organon in detail, and then only you can practice. The person who has not studied the philosophy of homeopathy will maybe or may not be a successful person, physician. So, in our experience, our master taught us the philosophy of homeopathy first. I think this part, like philosophy teaching, may be present only in homeopathy. Dr. Hahnemann has given four fundamental principles in his Organon. The one is the proving of substances to be used as medicines on healthy human beings. Unlike in other systems, all the medicines in homeopathy are proved on healthy human beings. The experiments are not conducted on mice, rat, or guinea pigs, or some other animal. It is not called as experiment. It is called as proving in homeopathy. Why? Because in homeopathy the symptoms are very, very important, and when a healthy person takes a medicinal substance, the vital force or the immunity in the body reacts to the foreigner or the toxic material, the medicine, and it will try to fight with it and drive out the disease symptoms which have entered the body or the person because of its toxicity. So the persons, I will again elaborately tell you in next classes, please don't get confused. I'm going to teach each and every point in a detailed way. So the medicines are tested on healthy human beings, and it's a wonderful system because directly they are tested on human beings, and we are going to give the medicines already experimented. Many people feel that newcomers, particularly freshers, when they go to give a medicine, the other patient who will be taking the medicine will ask, are you doing experiment on me? No. The experiments are already conducted and proved. That is why they are called as provers. The persons on whom the medicines are tested are called provers, and the process is called provings. That we will deal in detail. The second point, what Dr. Hahnemann has said is the selection and administration of so proved medicines according to the law of similars. Very important point is homeopathy is called similarpathy. That is why similia similibus curanter is the principle of homeopathy. Allopathy is called antipathy. That means it has a purpose of palliation or a relief temporarily to save the patient. Allopathy is used in such cases. As we were ruled by British for more than 200 years, they left their system of medicine and the system of education. In fact, it is given to us by them. It is forced on us, rather. It is forced on us, and that is the reason allopathy is used by many in our country. Though Ayurveda is the oldest science referred in Vedas. This is called Ayurveda, it's called Upaveda. So it was referred in ancient system, Ayurveda was there, but we are not encouraging or we are not able to find out good doctors, as allopathy is very freely available. Unfortunately, allopathy is abused or misused. Nowadays, many people are going to the medical shop when they have some problem. The person in the medical shop may be a person failed in 10th class. He is prescribing the medicines. It is very dangerous to take the medicine from the medical shop person. You have to go to want to take allopathy medicine, please go to a qualified person, because allopathy also has its own place, and only when allopathy is required you have to go to allopathy. When homeopathy is required, go to homeopathy. When Ayurveda is required, go to Ayurveda. And all the three systems or four systems can be combined in one place, and a person can be given the four systems of medicine simultaneously, and health can be restored. This is our plan of teaching homeopathy to all, and our Master E.K. has spread this system. Dr. Chellapathy Garu has spread the system to many and many, and the dispensaries we are running all over the Andhra Pradesh, many places, and dispensaries are there in Odisha, West Bengal, Karnataka, and we have branches in various places. All the places, persons trained by Master E.K. and his disciples may not be direct disciples of Master E.K. So his students have taught, and they are running dispensaries successfully, and people are now coming to homeopathy. And thanks to COVID, because the COVID has brought homeopathy into broad daylight, now people are getting relief from alternate systems under the Ministry of Ayush, and Ayush has been activated. Now they are giving medicines, and homeopathy stands first, because I gave medicines to hundreds of COVID positive people, and all of them are safe. So homeopathy works at all planes, at physical plane, at psychological plane, or at spiritual plane. How it works in different planes, how the medicines are chosen, how the prescription is made, and what are the conditions I told you, restrictions to be followed. This we will deal in detail. And here we stop the class here. 7 to 8 class will be there. Today 5 minutes late because of technical problem. Now we will stop the class at 8 o'clock. And today itself I would like to ask you all, if anybody new members have introduced themselves one by one, you can introduce for 10 minutes, or you may not get doubts on the first day itself. In course of time, you may get lot of doubts. Tomorrow itself, you come with a good notes, white paper notes, and with a good pen which is working. And I am told that these classes are attended by many in a house, because there are 4 or 5 members are there in one house. They are listening, and last time also 1.0 and 2.0 were most successful, and I am very happy to introduce myself. I am V.V. Ramakrishna Shastri, and I have been giving medicines for the last 5 decades, 50 years, and under the blessings and grace of our masters, Guruji, I am able to run. Now, anybody has any doubts? The class will be mostly in English. Yes, Sudha Kannan, please ask doubt.
Sir, I am a fresher. I follow homeopathy medicines only for the past 20 to